Hello everyone, again we're still doing exercise 13. Okay, we gotta print out the sine, the cosine, and the tangent of the given number. Okay. Okay, so here's the door. Okay, number one, I'll simply go theta is equals to a vowel input. Oh, by the way, this is the second solution on this exercise. Feel free to rewind the video and read through the question yourself. We're doing exercise 13. Okay, enter an angle, not age or angle. Okay, unlike before, just like before, we're gonna have to import the math class. Unlike before, we don't have to not math class. I mean, I'm used to Java, you guys. This is a math module. Okay, unlike before, we don't necessarily need to import specific methods. Okay, so here's the deal. I'll simply go print sine theta. We close the brackets. Then we put right here, we gotta put math.cos, math.radians, then I put theta. Okay, as for my separator, I need to do that. Okay, I'm hoping people are clear what's going on here. Basically, these methods here, the cosine, that should have been a sine. Okay, basically these methods here, they are defined within that module. Okay, just like before, rather than typing through the whole thing, I would rather copy and paste. However, copying and pasting can result into a bunch of errors, so it should be avoided whenever possible. Okay, as I mentioned before, this is my second solution on this exercise. Oops, I meant B. Now let's hit the run button and see what we get. 180. We all know that cos 180 is -1. However, sine 180 is 0, and this number right here, recall this e minus 16, it's actually times 10 to the exponent of -16. This is a very, very, very tiny number. This is almost 0, you guys. Same thing applies for this right here. This is a huge this is almost 0, right? And this right here, to be honest, I'm not quite sure, but just if you visualize the this is almost negative infinite. Yeah, this is let me see. Yeah, we have a good solution, you guys. Let me write down the cosine function, the tangent function right in my head. Let me see. It simply goes, okay, tan 90 is undefined. How about tan 180? Yeah, tan 180 is undefined, you guys. Tan 180 is some number. It's not defined in the tangent. It's tan 180, like we have asymptote at angle 180 when it comes to the tangent function. However, as our theta approaches 180, our solution tends to get closer to minus infinity. Okay, now this is no mathematical class, you guys. I just thought you should know that we have a working solution. Again, at any point in time, if you have any issues, feel free to let me know, and I'll be happy to help you out. That's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. Cheers, I'm gone.